Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Cygnus Real Estate Finance has broken ground for its One Belmont corporate office solution. The multi-billion-dollar project is to be completed in 19 months. Our business reporter Javon Keys was there.
Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company has begun the groundwork for its multi-story office complex spanning from 1 to 3 Belmont Road in St. Andrew. The $3.7 billion project from ground up will take about 19 months to be completed.
And we'll deliver approximately 79,000 square feet of Class A corporate office space with 4 levels of parking and 5 levels of offices.
$2.5 billion of the sum to build One Belmont is from a facility with NCB. Cygnus says the structure will be built for what it describes as the post-COVID-19 pandemic world, with various touch-free surfaces. The composition of the complex will, however, be geared towards larger corporations, and Cygnus says discussions are already far advanced with possible tenants.
So it's not a typical commercial building where there are 10 or 20 shops, really. There really are only 5 floors on the building, and we're speaking to entities that will take possibly multiple floors of the building. So we could end up with a scenario where this building may have only 3 or 4 tenants.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the real estate industry continues to perform, contributing to the country's progress of recovery.
The asset class of real estate, even during the pandemic, grew at approximately 5.2%. If you look at the growth for that asset class in Jamaica, it would probably be just above 5.2%. In fact, much more than 5.2%.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, says effective yesterday, Alliance Financial Services is no longer authorized to collect bill payments on its behalf. Alliance Financial Services is subject of a Bank of Jamaica investigation. A news release from the JPS says Alliance Financial yesterday ceased collections from the company. JPS says this will impact all Alliance's associated locations island-wide. Now, customers may continue to make payments via other third-party payment agencies. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.84. $123.38 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $206.17 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $177.89. The JC Index gained 707 points today, while the junior market index gained 39 points. Among the winners were Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Stationery and Office Supplies, Main Event Entertainment Group, CAC 2000, and Elite Diagnostic. While on the losing side, Consolidated Bakers Jamaica, JMB Group 6% US dollar shares, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Everything Fresh, and Sterling Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.